Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock.
Excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install dishwasher. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
My name is Phil Lally. I'm the Product Service Manager for Whirlpool for the dish category, and today we're going to cover the new installation of a new model line we've got out that's going to launch in February of 2020. It's a new design dishwasher from the ground up, so there are some installation differences from what you're used to in the past. We're going to cover a KDPM 804 model today. So the next thing you do is you take the electrical junction box cover off. That's a 1/4 inch or T20 screw. Once you get the screw out, you just lift up on it with a flat bladed screwdriver. Comes right off, and this is the terminal box I was talking about. In the past, our power cord or hard wire came in through here, and there was 3 wire nuts. Now we actually have a terminal box where you're going to take the screw out, put it through the eyelet, and screw it back down. So we're going to demonstrate using a power cord. If you were using a hard wire installation, you would do that further on in the installation. You'd have it taped to the floor, so you slide the dishwasher into the cutout over the hard wire, and then you hook it up at that time. But for a power cord model, you're going to do it while you've got it on its back, and you're hooking up the utilities, the water supply, the electrical, and the drain hose. You always want to make sure you use a strain relief on the power cord or the hard wire. All right, once you get the strain relief and the nut on it, you can pull the green ground screw out, put it through the green ground eyelet. Okay, we've actually got the ground one hooked up with the 1/4 inch green ground screw and the green wire. Now you're going to pull the Phillips head screw out. Then you're going to go black to black and white to white. You can put the screw through the eyelet. There's the black wire. We'll do the same for the white wire. Like I say, this is new. In the past, we've always had wire nuts. In 2020, we're switching to this new terminal box. Reinstall the junction box cover. So that covers the power cord. Then you want to route it down the back and out. Now, during the video, I showed you an example that this was a power cord hookup, and you can easily access it from here, but I also wanted to show you for hard wire, or if you wanted to, you could actually pull the junction box out to give you more access and more room to work with it. You just depress on this tab here, pull it to the left or slide it to the left, and then pull the rear out at an angle like this, and it will drop down to give you a lot more room and access to hook your power cord up, or when it's standing up in the cutout with a hard wire, it makes it a lot easier to work with the conduit in a hard wire connection. And then to put it back on, just put it in at an angle, flip it up, slide it over until it snaps back in, and you're done.